In this video, I'll compare EndeavourOS versus Linux Mint. We'll explore what each distro brings to the table, how they are built, their core features, how they feel to use, and who they work best for. So make sure to watch until the end so that you can pick the best one for your Linux journey. First, what they do and who they are for. EndeavourOS is an Arch-based distro meant to give you the power and flexibility of Arch Linux, with far less setup friction. It features a graphical Calamares installer, multiple desktop environment options, rolling updates, and tight integrations with the AUR, so you get a nimble cutting-edge system with a friendly launchpad. Linux Mint is a hugely popular Ubuntu-based distro known for being elegant and comfortable out of the box. Designed to feel familiar for users migrating from Windows or macOS, it focuses on stability, ease of use, and zero-fuzz setup, complete with multimedia codecs, drivers, and a polished interface. So now I'll go over some of their core features. EndeavourOS includes a Calamares installer that lets you pick your desktop, for example XFCE, KDE, GNOME, Cinnamon, and more. It offers rolling releases with Arch's latest packages and full AUR access via tools like Yay, and it offers a minimal setup that leaves control in your hands with a helpful community to guide the way. Linux Mint provides stable LTS-based updates that favor security and polish over bleeding edge. It also offers a user-focused UI with Cinnamon, Mate, and XFCE that feels familiar, complete with simple tools like Update Manager, Driver Manager, and Time Shift snapshots. It also offers full multimedia support, low maintenance design, and hardware friendliness, even on older machines. Now, in terms of the experience you will have with them, EndeavourOS brings snappy performance and a responsive feel. Users report faster boot and shutdown times, and a desktop that just feels crisper compared to Mint. So if someone says, for example, I use it as a daily driver, it's snappier than Linux Mint, Cinnamon, it just feels crisper. But as a rolling release distro, updates arrive frequently. That means potential bugs, though fixes follow fast. If they break things, they fix them quickly, one user notes, contrasting Mint's low risk but slow moving updates. So Linux Mint delivers a polished, stable, and predictable experience. It works out of the box with no need for tweaking, making it a top pick and trusted entry point to Linux. So one user puts it simply, Mint is great for getting started, getting into your workflow, and not worrying about updates or breaks. So which one should you choose? First, I would choose EndeavourOS if you want a fast, customizable Arch-based system with up-to-date packages and AUR access, if you enjoy learning and tweaking, and if rolling releases and terminal access excite you, and if you appreciate a respectful community and the flexibility to build your system from a lean base. On the other hand, I would choose Linux Mint if you want a familiar, Windows-alike interface that works out of the box without fuss, if you prefer conservative updates, maximum stability and minimal maintenance, or if you are moving from Windows or macOS and want a dependable, user-friendly Linux experience. So that concludes this comparison of EndeavourOS versus Linux Mint. If this comparison helped you make a decision, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.